All right, we're live. What up, everyone? How are you guys doing? All right, we're only live on HyperTicks today. I didn't start it on my own, but okay. So we'll be trading NQ today, as we do usually from 6 to 12. I'm gonna be on for like a few hours, so in 1 hour or two. We'll see how it goes. Right now, I'm waiting for NQ to either break out on the upside or downside. There's nothing much really, but we're gonna see. Okay, so let's see what we get today. I gotta open my trading view to get ADX and do the analysis for now. If we can keep, like, after this candle going down, we're gonna get a trade pretty quick. Good morning, Tris. Good morning, Anik, Aniket, Mehdi. How you guys doing? You're trading NQ as well, Tris? Yeah, we're kind of ranging. It's been kind of annoying where usually on NQ I could get something pretty sharp around 6 around 6 a.m. But for now we're kind of like ranging, and we keep ranging until like 10 to 11. At present, you're just watching, yeah. Like we could get something on the 5, but I'd rather. There's too many fake outs on the 5. Like for example, this could have been a sell. We would have been faked out. Now this would be a buy. So I kind of stepped away from the 5 minute. I stepped away from the 5. Um, because I would enter sells right there, would then enter buys close to the moving averages. So now I'm just doing on the 15. What's up, buddy, man? How you doing? Yeah, I'll do a giveaway today. Sam, I'll do a giveaway. How's my day going? My day's going fine. I just woke up. So just before the stream. It's currently like it's 6:24 a.m. currently, so I woke up at 6. Went outside with the dog. It's raining, and then I just started my trading session. How about you? How's your day going? Yeah, I'm trading with HyperTicks. I'll just set up everything on there, and then we'll execute on HyperTicks. Hello, Shadab. How you doing? Hello, Lucky. How you doing? Okay, let's see if we can keep driving down here. This is really what I'm waiting for. It's gonna be most likely something like this. We'll need to wait though. We'll retake what we tried yesterday. It didn't go well. Tried the cells. No, I'm gonna go for the same idea, just a bit higher. What session do you guys trade on NQ in the chat? Do you guys trade mostly New York or you start London like me? Because I've been noticing that London's getting slower and slower. Got the notification on Discord. Nice. We'll do a giveaway in Discord today. Medi pre-US like 45 minutes before. Yeah, that's good timing. New York. Hello, Augie. Okay, so new candle opening. Hopefully we start driving now. Yeah, I'll pick the winner from the YouTube live today. Yeah, selling is slow, but this is exactly why I'm waiting for it to be faster, you know what I'm saying? And I mean this as an FVG, there's no wicks, so I wouldn't really consider this an FVG, like a valid one, but we'll have to wait and see, of course. Hello, Royal. We're gonna add this. There it is. Are we close to 100 subs? Let me see. Yeah, we're at 99 subscribers. So make sure you guys like the stream and subscribe to HyperTicks so we can do more of them giveaways. I'll start filling up the wheel for today's giveaway. Okay. So I added everyone that chatted. If you want to participate in the giveaway, just type something in chat. I'll add you to it. Let's go. 100 subs. It's just a start, guys. Yeah, so I'm adding everyone to the list right now. So I'll draw the winner soon. So Learner, Doctor, Sam, Unknown, Kulu, New Journey, Royal, Lucky, Augie, Shadab, Aniket, Bodyman, Tris, Medi, Trader X, Motivation. Prop Trader. And make sure you stay, guys, because I'll only announce the winner live on stream, and you gotta reply in the chat. So if you stay, you have more chances because some of them will leave. Techie, you're already in. You just gotta type in YouTube chat, and I'll draw the winners in like 5 minutes. So that's what we'll do. Just stay in the chat, and I'll draw this in a few minutes. Okay, so we got Top Me. You're welcome. You're welcome, Techie. Yes, sir. I just added you in. Oh, I didn't type your name correctly. Yeah, Body Man, you're right there. So we're not getting a trade. We're not getting a trade in the next 15 minutes at least. Market is being very slow. I need something kind of significant here. To get something like this. Okay, so we'll have to wait for a break. It could happen in the next like 30 minutes. For now, it's not happening. Okay. So I'm gonna do the giveaway right now. So okay, I'm doing the 50K account giveaway. So it's a 50K beginner account, just like I'm trading right now. You start with 50K, you'll have $2,125 of drawdown. You only have to make 2.5K to pass the eval. Okay. So last minute to enter, guys. If you haven't entered already, just type in chat. I'll do one last call inside the Discord. Shadab, you're already there. Seven. And then Shadab, you're already in. You just gotta type in chat. Ellen, I got you. Jacob. I gotta add Mino. Okay, so we got. I'll just type MD James. Okay. I'm doing good, Techie. Thanks for asking. There's an ad right in front of me. It was pissing me off. So I just zoomed in. But everyone's here, okay? So let's do it. Let's spin it. Good luck, everyone. Oh, so I see you in chat still. Aniket FX04. You want the giveaway? I see you in chat, okay? He's right there in chat. So I'll tell me your Discord. What's your Discord? I'll announce that you won right there, okay? That's you right there. So you can message support Aniket. So you just go to support and you open a giveaway thing, okay? Um, what's up, Mr. Nobody? Yeah, market is too choppy. You're exactly right. Um, Nobody asked. How's my trade? I said nobody asked. Mister Nobody asked, "How's my trading going?" There's nothing going on. Yeah, it's just wicks, wicks, wicks. Um, and for my strategy, I need some kind of volume in one direction. So no, that's NQ. That's the my strategy basically is with the intraday trend, then my stop loss. Like for example, if we start going very fast in one direction, um, I'll take a trade. Okay, it's as simple as that. If, for example, we have low volume, we start breaking to the downside with the timing of like the London and New York overlap, I'll just take a trade on the way down. I'm expecting to have a trade around this area, but it depends on what ADX shows me. So close to 25, I'll take a short. And then my stop loss will be above like SMAs, or if I can find like a fair value gap that's been respected. On CPI, when was CPI? I don't think I even took a trade. It was still like a slow day for some reason. And I traded two to one risk to reward. Yeah, I know you're talking about CPI news. When was last CPI? Oh, it was 2 days ago. Yeah, I think I took a loss 2 days ago. Yeah, I think that was my CPI. So it happened right there. I went with the direction of CPI, took an L, and then took a break even. So yeah, it hasn't been like the greatest trading as of recently, but it's all good. And now we're going up to the up. We're going up. Hello, SMT Hunter. Yeah, you don't want to be inside of a trade right now. Like even if you trade the 5 minute, you would probably like sell down there with volume, or even like sell at the top. There's nothing going on, and I don't see a buy possible. Like unless I bought like at the top here of this wick. So at least I'm trading on the 15, and I'm not inside of any trade whatsoever. Yeah, I trade from 6 a.m. Eastern to 12 to noon, basically. So it includes New York Open, but I don't trade it specifically. We wait to see the side. I mean, you wait for a breakout, yeah. Like right there, this is a no trading zone. Um, like all this, I'm not gonna trade that. And like the only thing I would probably trade is if, for example, we start getting volume this way, we reverse pretty fast, and I'll take buys inside of this zone. But if the market can show signs of actually going down, I'm gonna take my sells straight away. But it has not been a good trading week. Yeah, it's difficult to be confident with the shorts currently, to be honest. I don't really use X, but it's Tradethrive. I have 64 followers. So that's my X Tradethrive, like so. I didn't show the T, but yeah, Tradethrive. Just like you see on screen, or I have the same handle everywhere. I mostly use Instagram. So that it's the same handle as well if you guys want to follow me there. Tradethrive. And I do post like the highlights in the giveaway as well, with HyperTicks. So if I don't trade live, I do post my trades on there. And I'm like 10 followers away from 3K followers. So if you guys want to help me out there, be highly appreciated. Tradethrive on IG. On X as well. Thanks, guys. But yeah, I don't really use X. I used to post some stuff, but like June 2025, March, I post like once every few months. Yeah, even gold is very, very choppy. There's no trade to be taken there. There's absolutely nothing you can do. Yeah, I trade CFDs as well. And on CFDs, I only trade gold. So XOU USD, and basically I just take swing trades. So on futures, I start my analysis from the 15 straight away. On CFDs, I'll start from like the daily, and I'll take longer term trades. All right, guys, I'm not gonna do another spin today. I usually do like one giveaway, and we'll see. Maybe next stream I'll do two giveaways. Not today. Not today. I'll only give one. But I'll most likely be streaming next week, and I'll do more of them because I already gave 3 accounts on Instagram last week. So I gave 3 accounts there. That was last week, so this is my fourth giveaway. But I'm gonna do more next week. GBP USD. All right, sure, let's do it. So GBP USD. I would need to do like the fundamentals and everything when I trade this, but on the technical side, we could already start looking at obvious zones, and we need to find reasons to buy as well. So this could be like your zone right there. And then I trade like the fundamentals early on this one. But this, like, my idea would just be to, like, we got the lower lows, we're kind of stable inside of this range, so either retest below here or buy right now. And then I'd need to find like a fundamental reason to also believe in this. Because if we look at the daily, it does make sense as well. Like we're staying above this, we tap the SMAs, so that'd be like a short-term idea. If you want to swing it, you could go for this and put break even as soon as you're like above 136. Okay, so you'd go break even once you're above 136. Um, if you expect some volatility, if you look at the news and you expect volatility, you can even go for something like this and swing it for even more, bring down your break even. So you could tap it, go break even pretty fast. But I didn't do my fundamental analysis, obviously, and it's kind of important on Forex. I've always been like less technical on Forex and more driven like on reading articles and everything like so. Could be good. Like we could say the move is pretty incomplete. We're protecting those levels as well. And we need to tap like those two levels at least this level at 137. But it would obviously take days. If you want to trade like on the lower time frames. Oh no, man. Really depends on your strategy. You're saying on the 5 minute, there's a W. You mean like this? You mean like a pattern? Like a W like this? Or on the other side? And you expect something like this. I don't really trade patterns. Oh, I can tell you like the pros and cons of futures and CFDs. Prop firms specifically. So for prop firms, in my opinion, futures is better for intraday. Like you get better conditions. Um, it's really cheap to pass accounts. You can get a lot of payouts. On CFDs, it will be a lot slower. It costs more money. You can swing. You can like take swing trades across many days, and you also have static drawdown. So if you want to build like good capital, Either way is good. It depends on your trading style, of course. And if you want to trade Forex, go to CFDs. If you specifically want to trade the intraday on NQ gold, there's no reason to go to CFDs. You just go in futures if you want to trade like the 5-minute, 15-minute on NQ, ES, gold, crude oil, YM. You just stay on futures. Okay. We're not getting sales. Which is scalper friendly. Just go. I take futures all the way. I don't know if we can even see like the spread that it has, but it's almost nothing. If you go to HyperTicks and you show is there even something for spread? There's like almost no spread. So if you take this, let's say, I can't even show it, but basically if you want to scalp, you just have to stay on futures. Gold and QYM is fine on CFDs, I guess, but it's better on futures. The fills are better, less spread. I just stick to it. Yeah, there's rules like that as well on futures, but they're definitely less strict. CFD prop firms are more restrictive in my opinion. But then again, you also have more drawdown, so with bigger accounts, you can trade smaller and just like keep them forever, to be honest. I just want to know what should I do. I already blow 17 accounts, including futures. I have strategy, works all the time. But due to FOMO and overtrading, I lost it. Dude, just blindly trade your strategy like a robot. It doesn't matter. You'll keep blowing accounts because in futures, you have limited amount of time to pass. I blow accounts as well. It doesn't matter. Just trade your strategy. Be very clear. write down the trading plan and trade exactly that strategy. I know it's like it's basic advice, but if you can like backtest your whole strategy and trade it the same on live, there's no reason why you should lose. So just be very, very confident. Have the stats for your strategy. Like backtest it a lot. Like backtest 1,000 trade if you need to be confident. Then do the exact same thing on live. This is what I did at least. Just backtested so many trades that it's not even a question of FOMO or over trading. I just know exactly what to do every day. And I still blow accounts. It's fine. I'm over leveraged on evaluations. It's okay. You shouldn't even need to think. You need to think when building your strategy. When you're trading, you know exactly what to do. Which instant account is best at HyperTicks? It depends on how much you want to risk per trade, or if you want to spend more or less. Just evaluate what's best for you. Like put your own trading stats into the instant account, and you'll see what's best for you. And by the way, guys, if you want to buy accounts, you can always use my code Tradethrive. Okay, so I always got the best discount on my code. How many screens set up? I only have 2 screens. So I'm looking at chat on another screen. Then I have my trading on this one. I just switch between HyperTicks and Trading View. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the stream very soon. There's no trade. I'll still answer you guys' question. But honestly, like, there's no trade today. But we're gonna end it very soon. I'm gonna answer your questions still for a few minutes. I've been trading for 7 years, so I've done a lot of strategies, a lot of trading styles. Even if you swipe back on my Instagram, there's a lot. Like I did like some negative RR scalping for the past year. I've kept the same strategy with positive RR this year, and before that, I would swing trade like very positive RR. I do like swing trades with adding things in. That's like forex trading. So I used to trade like CAD CHF. That's GBP USD. That was I remember this. This was on the 300K live funded account. 10,000 swing. I used to like go for insane swings. So this was GBP USD. Like, look at this. This was like the hourly time frame. Right now, I'm just in and out in the same day. So I've been like by this time in 2023, I was trading for like 4 years, 4 years and a half. So yeah, I've been trading for like 7 years total. Profits came after like 3 years. It took me a long time. Yeah, we'll have to wait for market open. Okay, so thanks for showing up, guys, today. We didn't get a trade, but we did a giveaway with all of you guys in there. I'll have to wait for market open, but I'm gonna end the stream. Make sure you guys like the stream, subscribe to HyperTicks, and make sure you support me as well. So you can follow me at Tradethrive and follow HyperTicks.com as well. So HyperTicks.com, I have some posts on there. We post giveaways. They post their promos on there as well. So make sure you guys follow HyperTicks, YouTube, Instagram, and follow me as well. Tradethrive everywhere. X, Instagram, YouTube. So I'll do more giveaways next week, sorry. And you can find me on YouTube. I didn't stream on my own YouTube today, but it's Tradethrive like this or Tradethrive 1. Why so fast? I gotta go, brother. I can't sit on the charts all day, so I'm just gonna see what it does, but there's no point of sitting on the charts and just waiting. Okay, so I'll just place my alerts and go about my day. All right, see everyone. Have a nice rest of your day. Okay, question about the BOGO offer. I just go live like 1 or 2 times per week. No, the BOGO offer is when you get a payout. If you reach payout, with your payout, you get a second account. All right, Lucky. See you next stream. All right, see you next stream, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. See you. Thanks, Aniket, and congrats on the giveaway as well. Make sure you message support. See you soon, everyone. Goodbye, SMT Hunter. Have a great rest of your day.